Hello everyone. Again this lecture is continuation of smart forms. I am moving on to transaction code smart forms and displaying the same smart form. I am executing this smart form, executing the function module. Now I am providing the input, suppose 4970, executing, passing the output device, suppose LP01. I am clicking on this print preview button. Now there is no window, or now there is no boundaries outside the window. Secondly, see, we have total 10 line item number, amount is this one. 020 line item number, amount is this one. But for 030 item number, the amount is printing on the next page. If we are clicking on the page down button, for 30 line item number, amount is printing on the next page, and this is our 40 line item number amount. So whenever we have amount field and it is not appearing properly, so in that case, how you can print the amount in correct format? So I am going for change mode of the smart form. I am going for the last window in which we are displaying the amount. The amount I am displaying in this cell. If I am going, this is item number. If I am going for amount, if I am going for editor, or if I am going for change editor button, go to change editor. In the bracket I am writing ZC. What is this? It means you are displaying the amount in form of character format. So now it is appearing properly. So if the amount is not appearing properly in the output format, so in the bracket you can write ZC. Now I am checking for the syntax. I am activating the smart form. Now in this current smart form, there is no boundaries for the window. So how to display boundaries for the windows? So I am going for, suppose this window, I am going for output options. Okay, now I want the boundary, so I will click this outer frame. I will give the width of the outer frame, suppose 1, point. PT stands for point. Now I am do the same thing for every windows. Outer frame width is 1, 00. For every window I am doing this. Outer frame width is 1, 00. This window, outer frame width is 1, 00. PT point. Width is 1, 00. PT. I am going for main details. Width is 1, 00. PT. Now I am going for checking the syntax. I am activating the smart form. Now I am executing this. Now I am providing the input, suppose 4970. Now I am executing this, passing the output device name, print preview. Now see, boundaries are coming for each and everything. Now if we are checking for the amount, see, now the amount is all appearing on one page and it is now justified. So whenever amount is not appearing properly, in that case provide ZC in the bracket. Now in this topic we will discuss about various types of text in smart form. Now what are various types of text in smart form? Suppose I am going for first window. I am going for text. I am going for general attributes. I am going for change mode of the smart form. See, these are the various types of text in smart form. Now what are these various types of text in smart form? So firstly we will cover text element. text element we have already covered. Text elements is hard coded text. Suppose in this case you are taking this text as text element and you are providing sales order details. So text element is what? Text element is hard coded text, whatever you, though that is specific to that smart form only. Now we come on to text module. Text module is what? Text module is a reusable text. You can create it once and you can use it in several number of smart forms. What is text module? Text module is a reusable text which you create only once and you can use it at several places. What is include text? Include text is again a reusable text. You can create only once and you can use it at several places. Now what is the difference between text module and include text? Both are reusable text. Now what is the difference between both of them? Text module is a reusable text that you can use only in smart forms, but include text is that reusable text which you can use in smart forms, reports, function module, anywhere you can use this type of text, include text. So text module is a reusable text which is specific to smart forms only, but include text is that type of text which is dedicated to, can be used at anywhere, smart form, reports, function module, anywhere you can use. Now what we will do, we will create one text module and we will create one include text and we will use in our this current smart form. So I am back this smart form. I am going for the creation of firstly text module. Suppose my name of the text module is that text underscore module. I will click on this create button. Now I will go for editor. Now suppose now I will go for change editor. Suppose I am creating a text module for title. Suppose sales order details. Back. I will save this. I will save this as a local object. Now this text module I will use in my smartphone. Wherever you want to print the text sales order details, you can use this text module in the smart forms. Now I will go for smart form, change mode. I will go for window 1. In the window 1, rather than hard coding the text sales order details, I will go with text module. Yes. I will pass the name of the text module, this one, which I have created. I have provided the language English. Now I have to check this checkbox, no error if no text exists. Suppose you are passing the text module here which is not existing, or if you are not checking this checkbox, in that case smart form will give you a short dump. So if you have to always check this checkbox if there is no text module with such name, so that there no error will come or no dump will come. Now I am saving this. Now rather than going for hard coded text, now I am displaying the text with the help of text module. Now I am activating the smart form. Now if I am running the smart form, I am providing the input 4969. Now if I am executing this, passing the output device, suppose going for print preview. Now see, sales order details is coming. Previously this was the part this I am displaying with the help of text element. Now I am displaying with the help of text module. Now we will go for creation of include text. Now what is include text? We have already discussed include text is again a reusable text, but it can be applicable to everyone. We can use the include text in report, function model, smart form, anywhere. So what is the transaction code for creating the include text is SO10. SO10. I will give the name of the include text. Suppose Z include underscore text. I will click on this create button. I will go for change editor. Suppose this text I am creating for suppose item details. I will save this back. Now this is the include text which has the description item details. Now I will go for my smart form. I will go for item details window. This is the item details window in which title item detail is appearing. Now I will go for include text. Yes. I will pass the name of the text module. My name of the include text is Z include underscore text. Text object. Now our text object is standard text. I will search for that. This one, SCP script standard text. Now my text ID is, if I will go for my text ID is ST. I will pass the text ID as ST. Language is EN. Now I will check this checkbox, no error if no text exists. I will save this. I will check for the syntax. Now I am activating this. Now if I am executing the smart form, I am providing the input 4970. If I am executing this, passing the device name, print preview. Now if we see now this item details is coming from our include text rather than hard coding the text. So these are various types of text in smart forms. Next we will continue in the next lecture.